I welcome you all on my next video on the game application review. Today we are going to discuss something is interesting, which is quite demanding in the today world: insurance. So my viewers are worried about the insurance. That what is the insurance and what are the uh, type of insurance. So in today video we will discuss these all things, so stay connected, and if you are new here then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe on my channel. So let's start our video. Certain terms are carefully defined at the utmost outset. Insurance is a contract of reimbursement. For example, it reimburses for losses from specified perils such as fires, hurricane and earthquake. तो नेचुरल डिज़ास्टर की वजह से आपका कोई भी नुकसान हो जाता है तो ये इंश्योरेंस वाले आपका क्लेम करेंगे, वो आपको भर के देंगे. As insurer is the company or person who promises to reimburse the insured, sometimes called the assured. It is the one which is revised the payment, except in case of life insurance, where payment goes to the beneficiary named in the life insurance contract. The premium is the consideration paid by the insured. So the contract itself is called a policy. The event insured against are known as risk and peril. So regulation of insurance is left mainly in the hand of the states rather than the federal authorities. Under the Act, Congress exempted state regulation insurance. So this is a general information according to USA. So let me introduce the some of the type, that what type you should understand. While begin with the overview of the type of insurance from both a consumer and a business perspective, then we examine in greater detail the three most important type of insurance: property, liability and life. Public and private insurance. Number one, sometimes a distinction is made between public and private insurance. Public or private insurance includes Social Security, Medicare, temporary disability insurance, and like funded through government plans. Type of insurance: for the individual, life insurance. Life insurance provides for your family or some others named beneficiaries on your death. Two general types are available. Term insurance provides coverage only during the terms of the policy and pays off only on the insured death. Whole life insurance provides saving as well as insurance, and they can let the insured collect before death. Health insurance cover the cost of hospitalization, visits to the doctor offices and prescription medicines. The most useful policies provided by many employees are other those that covers 100% of the costs of being hospitalized and 80% of the charges for medicine and doctor services. And usually the policy will contain a deductible amount. Disability insurance. Sorry. Disability policies play a vital role in certain percentage, pay a certain percentage of an employer wage or fixed sum weekly or monthly if the employer becomes unable to work through illness or an accident. Premium are lower for policies with no longer waiting periods before payment must be made. So this is all about the disability insurance. Let me tell you home owner insurance. A homeowner policy provides insurance for damages or losses due to fire, theft, and other named perils. No policy routinely covers all perils. The hometown must assess his needs by looking to the likely risk in this area. His area: earthquake, hailstorm, flooding and so on. So homeowner insurance is basically kept by those people in those areas where the earthquake, flood, typhoon, these are hurricane are the common, and people use this type of insurance to protect their homes. Homeowner policies provide for reduced coverage if the property is not insured for at least 80% of its replacement cost. In inflationary times, this requires means that the owner must adjust the policy limits upward when property values have dropped substantially. The owner of the home or a commercial building might and saving and lowering the policy insurance amount. Automobile insurance. Automobile insurance is perhaps the most commonly held type of insurance. Automobile policies are required in the least minimum amount of all states. The typical automobile policy covers liability for body, injured or property damages, medical payment, damages or loss of the car itself, and attorney fees in case of lawsuit. Other liability insurance. In this litigious society, a person can be sued for just about anything: a slip on the walk, or harsh or untrue word spoken in anger, an accident on the ball field. Personally, liability policy covers many types of these risks and can give coverage in excess of that provided by homeowner. And in automobile insurance, such umbrella coverage are usually fairly inexpensive, perhaps to $50 a year for $1 million in liability. So if we talk about another, then this video will be going too long. So other remaining type of insurance for business, I will tell you in next video. So up to now this video is very going to very large, so I think we should end this video up to here. If you have any question from these topics, you can ask in comment box and stay connected with our channel. Thank you, see you soon.